78 Battalion CRPF na Civic Action Programme gi manung chana Senapati District ki Don Bosco School Tafo Onimi Village da Saron Training Center da Tailoring Machine Taramari Yenthokre Saron Tailoring Center gi Coordinator Merina CRPF na nupi singi damakta khanduna masing mateng pangpirakpa asimak thagatpa phongdurakli machine yenthokpagi thorum atuda SS Regiment DY Commodate 78 Battalion CRPF SST Thangal SDPO Senapati PS Inspector GD MS Com Company Commander D 78 Battalion CRPF Inspector GD Retina Prasad Father Ngaulini Paul Principal Don Bosco School Tafo Onimi Sadna Sarukya Ke.
I can feel the prayer is for the peace, for the development, for the upliftment. I believe so. So we are here because these all our task is very tough task and without support of the local population, because we are living in a democratic country, and in democracy the power lies in the people.